Morning guys, a lovely wet day to be flagging. So we've got it set out, we've got some lines on, line there, and on this end here. Got a bit of a problem here, like, we've got a big lip here, look. So we're going to have to lift this one, so we'll just lift that one when we've done it and just make it go up to his new flags, because we need a nice straight edge. So we've just been picking out, because we need to run, we're going to run them in rows, and we're all different sizes, so we've been picking out what's what, sizing them up, and we might have to cut a few to get them in rows. But yeah, let's crack on. So we haven't been really thick, these flags. We can just dot and dab them on. If they'd have been Indian stone, we'd have had to put full beds under them, but these ones we don't have to worry too much about them because they're really thick. So we've got a few down. We've got a nice run off heading down garden, so it should all run off nicely. These are few flags with a big cup in the middle of them, which will hold water, but only on the flag itself. So hopefully we're not going to get any big puddles. It'll just be odd little one in between flags. Yeah, so we're sick of getting wet, so went out last night and bought a gazebo. It's supposed to be one of them pop-up things. So I had them old ones before that used to put poles in and stuff. They just took too long. So hopefully this one will be a lot better and quicker. So have a look if I bought right one, like. So this 100 quid, this from Argos. Oh. Not bad, that, is it? Pretty quick to put up.
Well, I think somebody's enjoying work just a little bit too much in this weather today.
I'm Alex Taylor. It's understood millions of the Pfizer-BioNTech coronavirus
Protect you from cybercrime, from creating stronger passwords to updating your devices, and enjoy a Merry Christmas. Get secure online at cyberaware.gov.uk. Greatest Hits Radio is about to update you on the travel. It's coming in seconds.
Okay, here you can get me a new one and certain. So it's your very chance to get your limited edition Sleepy OLED car. Only with a qualifying purchase you can mail the market. Only available from 14th December 2020. All claims must wait.
We've all seen those competitions with prizes that seem almost too good to be true. And not fancy their chances of winning. Somebody has to win from only one taxi per entry. Will it be
another one, please. That's good. I've got a good lean off. I've just got more level. And this is gap at back, look. We're going to fill. We've got a little gap at back that we'll fill, and then we'll fill this in. Just gives make the step a bit wider. Whereas even though we're just giving this a brush finish, we've still got to pack it down because look, even though that looks full, see, so you've still got to go along and make sure it's all packed down because within a couple of weeks it'll just fall out. So we're just packing it down, and then what we'll do is brush it all off. This is like a semi-dry mix, and then we're just going to go over it lightly, just to put a bit of a flat finish on it. Leave it like that then. So I think it's going to rain this afternoon, so I don't think we're going to have to put any water on it to set it off, but it's pretty damp anyway, so it'll probably go off on its own. So a bit of rain on it this afternoon should be fine. So that's what we're doing now.
We want to make an example of the UK here.
So that's it, we've repointed the path as well, we grind all this out and repointed it. And it's another wet day. I think we had one dry day on this in like, what, a week and a half, 2 weeks it took us. I think it took us about a week and a half, so yeah, one dry day, pretty bad. But yeah, it's all looking good. It's been raining and raining and raining and there ain't any puddles, so we must have got a good enough lean on it. There's just odd one where the cups that I explained earlier, like that one there, but it's fine. It's all running off nicely. So we put a bit of gravel around edges. They just scrape gravel out and back because it's been painting bottom black. But yeah, it's all done. So that's it. So that's it for this one, guys. So Merry Christmas, guys. Have a good one. Make sure you get some rest. I'll see you in the next one.